Now let's talk about what is organizational behavior. It is the study of how people interact within groups in a workplace setting. It encompasses a wide range of topics including leadership, team dynamics, communication, motivation, and organizational culture. For example, in year 2012, Google launched the Project Aristotle, which is a comprehensive study to understand what makes a team effective. Then they were able to have key findings. In terms of psychological safety, the team members feel safe to take risks and be vulnerable in front of each other. In terms of dependability, the team members reliably complete quality work on time. In terms of structure and clarity, the team members have clear roles, plans, and goals. In terms of meaning, the work is personally important to each of the team members. And in terms of impact, the team members believe their work matters and creates change. Since Google encouraged open communication, this approach has significantly improved team performance and satisfaction, which leads to a more innovative and successful outcomes. Thank you and happy learning.